The consumption of a bowl of soup on a regular basis can have results that are both beneficial and detrimental, depending on the type of soup and the components that it contains. The following are some general things to think about. Effects that are favorable. Asterisk. Firstly, the intake of nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, and fiber are some of the necessary nutrients that can be found in soups, which typically include a wide variety of vegetables, proteins, and even foods that contain grains. Hydration. Number 2. As a diet that is primarily composed of liquid, soups are beneficial to one's general hydration. Maintaining an adequate level of hydration is essential for a variety of biological functions. 3. Exercise and dietary management. The consumption of a bowl of soup before a meal may assist in the regulation of portion sizes, which may result in possible benefits for weight management. 4. Health of the digestive system. It is possible that certain soups, particularly those that contain vegetables and broth, are gentler on the digestive system and may therefore facilitate digestion. The 5th point is comfort and satisfaction. In addition to being reassuring and gratifying, a bowl of warm soup can also contribute to a feeling of overall well-being. Negative aspects to take into account. 1. The total amount of sodium. Some soups that are cooked commercially or that are canned may include a high amount of sodium, which may contribute to high blood pressure as well as other health problems. Whenever it is possible, choose options that are low in sodium or handmade. The calorie content of cream-based or thick soups can be rather high, especially when it comes to fat and calories. It is essential to keep these considerations in mind if you are attempting to limit the number of calories you consume. 3. Unequal distribution of nutrients. Depending on the components, a cup of soup consumed on a daily basis can be deficient in particular nutrients. It is of the utmost importance to consume a diet that is well balanced and has a wide range of foods. 4. Allergies or sensitivities. Certain components in soups, like as gluten, dairy, or particular vegetables, have the potential to elicit allergic reactions or sensitivities in certain persons. 5. Ingredients that have been processed. It is possible that certain pre-packaged soups contain additives, preservatives, or other processed substances that are less ideal for the health of the individual as a whole. In conclusion, including a bowl of soup in your daily diet can be a beneficial and pleasurable practice, particularly if the soup contains a wide variety of components that are rich in nutrients. With that being said, it is essential to be attentive of the sort of soup that you select and to make certain that it is in accordance with your nutritional objectives and dietary requirements. When compared to options that are highly processed or high in sodium, homemade soups that contain fresh, whole ingredients are typically less processed and more nutritious.